Hello my friends, I hope that you are doing well. We got some happy mail. So this is new diamond painting trays, 3D printed, that I got from a supplier I have bought from before. So check out at the end of my video, I will link that video which I unboxed her as a new to me company. So small business, and I was very impressed with what I got there. So go and check out that video if you haven't already, and I'm very curious to see this. So I will put all of the details in the description box of this video. I highly recommend you just add her WhatsApp number, and when you go into WhatsApp you will see the whole catalog of things that they do with the prices. You add them to cart and it generates a order for them, and then she just confirms with you. Very friendly service. Are you happy with the colors and everything you added, you know, and all of that. So super happy about the customer service. This is Friday 7 February today, so I got this one this morning. It was a locker to door. Just looking at the box, I just cut off my details that was on here, but I like the box, it's sturdy. So let's get into this, but before we do, please could you kindly leave me a thumbs up before you leave this video. It really helps the channel, and also if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you like this type of content, go and check out my playlists and what I like to do. So let's get started. I have my trusty blade cutter with me. Okay, so I saw this was a flippy open box, so I just cut the sellotape along the edges, and let's see. Yes. Okay, let me just see this. Yes. So my previous haul that you can go and look at, I ordered a lot more things from her. So I sort of promised my husband I wouldn't buy too many things. I was really tempted to get more colors in this. Lucinda, the owner of this, that is the reason why I didn't order more. And I really wanted the pink one as well and the blue. So I said to my husband, okay, I'm just gonna try to. So I'll show you in a minute why I wanted this, because I haven't seen it locally before, and this is something new that she posted on Facebook, and that's how I saw it first. So I really wanted this, and last time I ordered quite a few things. They are so durable that I am still using the trash cans that I got from her. They are so cute. You guys must go and take a look at that video of mine. I use them like a lot, and I just love all those stuff so much. So it's just sellotaped. So the packaging is good, and let's just take this out. So both of them is the same. You can see the shape. I'm just putting this away. I'm just gonna open both of them together. Okay. So, ooh la la, pretty. So what this is two diamond painting trays, as I told you. So she has different colors, and I said to myself, okay, you have a lot of pinks, you have a lot of like black, blue, all of that, and I've also found that I'm not super happy with the dark colors using them, so I have them on display rather than practically using them, because I struggle a bit with seeing the drills in them. Because if you don't know this of me, my diamond paintings are mostly dark art, so obviously there's a lot of darker drills, so I need the opposite of colors, meaning light. So I like the purple. Very, ooh, look at that. Can you just hear that texture? Oh, it's very nicely textured. Okay, and then this is the gold. So it's not yellow. It's difficult to see through the lens. I hope you can, but it has that silk look. Now remember, silk 3D filament, I know, is a bit more fragile, so you have to just be more, I wouldn't say careful, but I mean, I've had them from different suppliers, and you yeah, I have to just treat them a bit more carefully. But I really wanted to have a silky one, a gold one. I don't have that yet, and I'm a gold girl, even though I don't have gold on today. And then this purple. So these are two colors I don't have, but why I wanted this so badly, and I'll show you now. So there is just the company sticker on there and contact details. So that's the number that they use on WhatsApp, and you can see the whole catalog. So what's so cool about this? Must I spell it out? Yes, okay, I want to. Magnets! Oh, okay. Let me know in the comments down below which other companies have magnets in the diamond painting tray designs, because one of my favorite trays I use is a Bijou Bliss design one, and I think I purchased it over Etsy, and Etsy has its extra costs. It was very expensive, and it's just one of my favorites because of the magnets, because there's no sliding and all of that. It's just literally you put it on there, and like locally, without all that extra costs importing. I'm in South Africa, for those of you that don't know. Hi. And I haven't seen this locally with us, but I mean, through Etsy it was really expensive, but it still is one of my most go-to ones, plainly because it has the magnets and it's so nice to use. So I see that this one has 1, 2, 3 magnets, and it looks good. And then also this looks nice, and I love that it has this little pool deck. Can I call it that? I see people calling it a pool, I see people calling it a strip. I don't know, I'm gonna call it a pool deck. We have a deck, okay? And like, here is the drills inside, and then you shake them, and then they go lie here on the deck, turning, waiting for their turn to be used, and then it lines up so nicely. So I am an over spiller of drills into my trays, so this will help me. I actually don't have one of these, and I've never DIY'd one with like washi tape across this board, so I'm actually super curious to use this and see how this works, like where it's imprinted in a tray. Okay, then the spout. Okay. Ooh, and the spout has a magnet, so it's just on top, not at the bottom. Remember, it's going to be a little bit more tighter fit, the spouts of 3D printed trays, until you've used them a bit. I've seen it with all suppliers, overseas, local, everywhere. So just know that I'm very careful with mine, but it's not difficult to get it out. And it is in there, so the magnet keeps it there. So then I was wondering if I do love to do combos, so I wanted to see if another color will fit another tray. It does. Listen, though, if you were wondering why I chose these colors, then also I had this in mind. I wanted to do the combos. Look at that. Okay, so this works, and then can we do this with this one? Yes, perfect fit. Well, oh, there's a gap because it's the magnet, but I just use my lids to actually, there's a lot of drills, to pour it into my containers, so there's no way a drill is gonna come through here. So that is, yeah, listen to that as well. I also do this test because I don't like when a spout stopper is loose, you know, so you can actually, like, while you shake, it can fall out, and your drills as well. That's just a mess. Oh, what I wanted to see was if the spout stoppers, sorry, if there's fluff. I've been reorganizing my craft room. I'll show you a room tour when I'm done, but it's already looking very, very, very good. Good. But just careful with this. Okay, it it works the same way. So remember, as I said, first few times while using it, it's gonna be a little tight, but it's fine. It's gonna work itself in very quickly. Can I say it like that? Okay, so obviously I can see close up. You're gonna see a little bit of imperfections, more so in a silk tray or a silk 3D printed item than a regular one, because that's just the way it is. I've heard from other people doing 3D printing. So your silk is mostly just for being pretty. So yeah, just be careful when you use it. I'm gonna use it because I love the gold on here and I don't own something like that. But remember, again, if you're somebody that has hectic OCD, I have hectic OCD, but I've come to accept a few things in my life, and also imperfections in 3D printing. And I'm saying, for me, I'm seeing it as perfect imperfections. Like, it's handmade, it's unique, nobody else's is going to look the same way as yours. And again, it was made for me. Just remember, if these things that's going to bother you, then rather do not shop 3D printed things, because this will happen. It is individually made and you have no control over what you're going to get and see. So for me, I see it as being unique and it doesn't bother me. So that is very pretty. I love the color. I hope you can see it through the camera lens. It's so shiny, and I love this. I love the texture. Like, it's on both of them. This is smooth printing, and then this is like a textured printing. I love that. I'm just a very sensory person. ADHD. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Okay, that works. And this one. Oh, it does. And then I can do that. And I have this beautiful combo color. Pretty. And the same with this. And look at that. So easy. You can even just shove it a bit, but it's very strong. It's very strong. So I like this. I like this a lot. And this is what I wanted to do. I love this. I think this is a great design. Lucinda, again, very impressed. Guys, I would highly recommend that you try her. Thank you so much for making these. I love them, and I really appreciate the time and effort you put in here. For my South African peeps, each one of these trays, it comes with a lid, with a stopper. It's 50 South African rands. I mean, seriously, I paid hundreds for my Bijou Plus one. Not comparing, just saying, cost effective. And I think this is going to work the same way. So this I paid 100 rands for, plus the locker to door delivery. So I think this is very reasonable. Very reasonable. So my local peeps, I think you must try this and give Lucinda some support. And then my overseas friends, I hope that you enjoy this. I know with small things, that's what I'm saying, and I hope that you can relate with this video. I'm not making it intentionally for exclusive purchases of local people. I'm saying that just like you having to import and knowing about Etsy costs and all of that, it's, if you can get something locally which works, then do it. And also small shops, I mean, it's income going to the families, and that's great. So I really like this. I am very happy about this. But guys, I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you enjoy the weekend or the day whenever you're watching this. And please leave me a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. Love you lots. Bye. Mwah.